Hello! This morning at Toddler and Earlier STEM, we made fizzing eggs with a bit of bicarb, some vinegar and lots of different coloured food colouring. We also used a bit of washing up liquid to get it more frothy and fizz a bit better. Do you want to use some green as well?
There we go.
Yes.
Green, yeah, that looks like a good green. You do it.
This color.
What colour is that one? Let's find out. Why not? Oh,
It's quite pretty, look at that.
yeah. Should we try one more and see what colours we can spot?
Oh, look
Oh,
at that.
wow. What colours can you see? Stop and have a look. What colours can you see in there? Wow. What other colours? What other colours are in there, Flora?
See the different color I haven't seen. Black.
Ah,
Because there's some black in there.
did you put some black in?
I think you put something very dark in.
Yes. It could have been the
Was it dark
purple
green?
or dark green.
It's black.
It was a black.
Oh, okay.
Okay. That's it. You got some there. There you go. Good job.
Oh, look at that. It does actually look like an egg.
It does, yeah.
Thank you for watching Toddler and Early Year STEM. Please stay tuned for next week's session. Goodbye.